Good afternoon. We are going to talk about the linkage between fractions and proportions. So, first of all, here is a question. The question asks, write down how many parts there are on those diagrams. So, if we check the first one, so if you check it, the first one is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts here. Now pause the video and write down all other parts for the next 4 diagrams. 3, 2, 1. So the next parts are all of them 4, number 3 diagram parts 5, 10, and 10. Now the next part of the question asks, write down the fraction proportion of the shaded area to an unshaded area. So as you can see here, fraction proportion next to each other, it means basically we're talking about the same thing. So let's see the first one. So the first question asks it, write down the proportion of the shaded area to the unshaded. So let's have a look. How many shaded we have here? One gray. So we have one gray out of how many area we have all together? 5. So my proportion or fraction of the shaded area to the unshaded area is 1 out of 5, which is 1 over 5. Pause the video and try to do the next 4. 3, 2, 1. Grab a red pen and have a look. Hope you had exactly the same answers. 3 over 4, 3 out of 5, 3 over 10, and 7 over 10. So let's see a description, a definition of proportion, okay? So as you can see here, proportion compares part to a whole, which you saw in the previous examples. So proportion is the same as stating a fraction or probability, and we normally say out of because we know out of is actually in maths a fraction line. So let's see some examples. Okay, so here is an example. It says what proportion of each sweet bag contains red sweets. Now for the first one I put it for you here. Okay, so the question says what proportion of each sweet bag contains red sweets. So we are looking for the red one. So the top one is going to be, what are we looking for? And we're looking for the red, and if you count it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on the bottom, because the definition says we compare part to a whole, we check how many sweets we have in a bag all together, which is the 9. So this is the whole. Okay, pause the video and try to do the next 3 diagrams. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you get the correct answer. If you check it, the second one is 3 out of 8. The next one is 2 out of 9. And the last one is 3 out of 9. Hope this helped to understand linkage between fractions and proportions. Thank you for watching.